Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to toggle flip to start feature on this laptop. First of all, you have to start up your PC by pressing the power button once, then repeatedly press F2 key in order to enable the boot menu, BIOS menu. Now once you see the BIOS menu, you can stop pressing the F2 button. At this point you have to go to configuration settings, then in configuration settings scroll down to the flip to start feature, and then if you want to disable this feature, then select this option right here and change it to disabled. To enable it, select enable. To apply changes, press F10 and enter. And to discard them, press escape and then no if you are asked. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.